Good afternoon, students. So today we are going to talk about a function lesson that is possibility. When we say possibility, it's the opposite of certainty. If you say, for example, I am sure, this is certainty, but possibility, I am not sure. غير متأكد. Right? الإمكانية, possibility. So this is a dialogue. Read the dialogue and say what he's talking about. There is a Miss G there. Okay, talking. Hi Zakaria, how are you? Hi, I'm fine, thanks. Ahmed, I have a question for you. Do you think technology is useful for students to do well in their studies? Zakaria, perhaps. It is useful because students use it to look for new information. Sometimes they download books to read in their free time. Ahmed, maybe still most students lose much time surfing in the net, especially in Facebook and YouTube. Zakaria, probably when parents are not watching how their children use the internet. Ahmed, that's totally true. I guess when parents control their children, they will benefit more from the internet. Zakaria, sure. So here in this dialogue we have many expressions of possibility. So if we look here, here, right? Hi Zakaria, how are you? I'm fine, thanks. I have a question for you. Do you think technology is useful for students to do well in their studies? So here the first one is perhaps, right? Expression perhaps, يمكن, perhaps, right? It is useful because students use it to look, etc. So here Ahmed, maybe. Right. Maybe is like perhaps. We say perhaps or maybe. Okay? Both are correct. Right? And also here we have this expression that is probably. Okay? Probably. Right? Also it is an expression of expressing possibility. And of course here we have this. I guess. Right? So I guess is also a kind of or an expression of possibility. Here are some other expressions, right, to express the possibility. The first one is, we say, for example, maybe, right? Maybe it is. Maybe we can. I say, for example, maybe the manager is in his office. Maybe tomorrow is Ramadan. Maybe I go to school. Maybe, يمكن, I'm not sure. Or perhaps, you see, maybe or perhaps. It could be. It can be. I guess. It is. Possibility it is. Possibly it is. Possibly it is. It might be. It may be. Right? So here, if we talk about these expressions, right? Here we have could, can, might, and may. Right? Remember this, please. Could, can, might, and may. So we call these words modal verbs or modals. Do you still remember modals when we talked about can as in ability, right? Here we talk about can as an expression of possibility. Could, can, might, may are always plus infinitive. Remember, not always plus be. No, can be plus other verbs, plus can, plus sleep. Say for example, he might sleep. He may come. Right. Plus infinitive. So remember this, please. Let's deal with the first task, which is an oral task. What is it? Here, of course, you are going to express possibility, right? So, look at the picture and tell me what can be this. Alright, maybe it is a copybook. I'm not sure, okay? Here, look, I'm not sure. Maybe it is a copybook. Second picture. What do you think this is? What do you think this is? So express just possibility. Yes, perhaps it's a stamp. Perhaps it's a stamp. A stamp. تمبر. طبع البريدي. Okay? Perhaps it's a stamp. What do you think this is? What do you think this is? Alright. It can be coffee. Right. It can be coffee. And this? What do you think this is? Nice, okay. I guess it's an ice cream. Okay? I guess it's an ice cream. Alright. So, another task, it's a written task. This is what you are going to do as a homework. Okay? So, react to the following statements using expressions between brackets. Right? Here I give you the statement and I give you here expressions between brackets, and you are going to make a possibility sentence. Example. Ali has not come yet. So I give you may and sleep. Look, Ali may sleep. So he has not come. Or just you say Ali may sleep. So number one, Jane has not arrived to the party yet. May forget. The door deal is raining. Might said. Said is a person. Whose bag is this? Could John's. So Laura is smiling after the interview. Might be accepted for the interview. So do the task, and thank you very much.